this footwork will serve as a foundation for more footwork that is going to come, right? So this is the basics. If you master this, you can do much more complex footwork as well, right? So you're probably wondering what I'm doing with these classes. So what I would ask you to do is get 4 objects from anywhere around you, objects which can be seen without having to look at it. So you should be able to see the object without you directly looking at it, right? So we're going to place these objects to improve our precision, to make our movement as clean and accurate as possible, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place one object right in front of me. So over here, I'm going to place one object right to my right side, exactly to the right side. Here, I'm going to place one exactly behind me in line with this glass. There. And I'm going to place another one exactly to the left in line with this. Right? So as you can see, it's forming a plus, right? Now, to practice our footwork, make sure that your legs are under your hips, your knees are relaxed. What you're going to do is you're going to step in line with this glass, come back to the center, step in line with the glass on the right, come back to the center, to the back, center, the left, and center, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do this first only with the right leg. So we're going to go right, 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 and right. Then we're going to go left, 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 and left. Right? So the tricky part is the last step. Right? This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. Now the fourth one, you twist a little bit, so you can come in line with this glass, and you come back to the center. Right? So let's do the right leg first. Let's do it slow, medium, and fast, and then do the left leg slow, medium, and fast. Ready? Right leg. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright? Now we do it a little faster. Medium speed. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right? Awesome. Let's go a little faster. Right? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. Let's do the left leg now. Same thing. Slow, medium, and fast. Left leg going slow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right. Little faster. Medium speed. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, let's go at the fast speed. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Awesome. So that was your right leg ride and your left leg ride. Now what you can do is, once you've mastered this, you can mix it up. You can go however you feel like. Yeah? But this is the basic. Right? Awesome. So keep practicing. All the best.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.